they go? Where do I go in the first cone? Left or right?
Just stay here a sec so you can get out as well.
Evening.
Evening. 2 of you.
Yeah.
So, 2 of you. Three of you.
What do you have to do?
Not quite.
You're weaving in and out the bollards, okay?
The cones here.
Take cones that way. When you get to the end,
Those 2 cones over there.
yeah, where Gus is right at the end,
Yep.
reverse back, but weave back the other way.
I suppose I'm gonna hang out the window or something, am I?
Debating whether I should sit in the back or if I'm going to get that slamming down on me.
So because there's 3 of you, you can go rogue here. You can have 3 boxes, or you can have 4 with him holding both.
Thank you, sir. It's heavy.
I can. Yes.
Oh, there's stuff you got.
Yeah.
Can it slide across a little bit?
Alright?
What the that's?
If I put my arm across and I'll hold it.
Can you actually reach that?
Yeah.
What happens if the boxes fall off?
3, 2, 1, go!
Right, we've got great boxes on the side of the car.
Bloody hell, man, to use but a hole.
Oh, that hurts.
You're doing good.
You right?
Yeah, just keep on going. Just go as quick as you can.
Got it.
I'm
Thank
just
you.
gonna have to guess this.
Keep going, keep going. I can see. Go, go, go.
Oh my god. Why?
Oh, man.
Go back.
Reverse gear. Can't see a thing.
Use a mirror. Use a mirror.
Can't see the
No,
mirrors.
that.
Turn a bit. Swing a bit. Turn, swing, swing.
All the way.
Hard. Straight, and then turn hard the other way.
Yeah, you're fine. Yeah, keep going back, 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 straight. Swing. Other way, other way.
Oh my god.
Hard the other way. Straight, and then steer back. Steer.
Go, 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 go.
Straighten up, straighten up. That's it.
Boxes.
Straight line.
Sit.
Let go of the box.
Yes.
That's alright.
Too bad?
It was literally like
45 seconds. Well done, Ed. Well done, Ed. 45 seconds.
7 seconds. Very well done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
we did well in one, yes.
Yeah.
Well done.
There we go.
I'm not. We're okay, breaking.
I'm amazed the tyres don't like peel off the wheel.
You were going much faster.
Ah!